Visual diary number 2. I'm focusing on self-care and taking care of myself. The definition of self-care is the practice of taking action to preserve or improve one's own health. And that I am doing. This morning I woke up wanting to get myself together, so I lit my brand new candle, hazelnut cream, and I need to get a couple things done today. So I am going to be putting my hair up for the next couple of days. I also want to unbox and show my new skincare product. So this video is sponsored by Voyor, who sent me a skincare product that I will show you guys in a few. I'm also taking time to edit some shorts and edit some videos before getting up and getting myself together. Eventually I go ahead and get up and get my bed made. I just have some things running through my mind of things that I want to do for myself today, as I just feel like it's nothing wrong with being selfish sometimes and wanting to have self-care and love and to take care of myself. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. As I mentioned, the video is sponsored by Voyor, who sent me a facial skin scrubber. It is a blackhead remover for facial pore cleanser, and then also it's a face skin spatula with 3 modes. And so I got this color in pink, and it is a plastic material. It is in the shape of a pen, and it is a great product to have. Not only because it is a ultrasonic vibration technology tool, it offers a complete skincare. It deep cleans the face, it lifts and tightens the skin. There's 3 working modes. It has a built-in timer. It minimizes pores. It absorbs nutrients. It is also ultrasonic vibration. And last but not least, it's atomicized water molecules. There's multiple benefits for your skin using this tool here. You can say goodbye to the skin problems. That's the reason why it's leading in nutrition. It lifts and tightens the skin. Blackheads get removed, and it is well for deep cleansing. There is a great stainless steel spatula at the end, and it is gently suitable for the arc design of your face. The high frequency vibration is going to atomicize the blisters to strip dirt off your face, and it is also rechargeable. That is the one good thing about this product. It is fashionable and elegant design and 1-button operated. If you're interested in buying this product, there's a link down in my description box down below for you to go ahead and purchase this item. Also, I will say that I am an Amazon affiliate, and I will earn a certain commission if you do use that link to buy this product today. So I just took the hot rag and I'm just going to wipe my face with it. And I'm just going to set it to the side so that I'm able to turn on the facial cleanser. So that's what it is at the end. Just to show you guys my natural state of hair, it is this. I'm using the Blue Magic Conditioner hair dressing grease in my hair. I'm going to part it into 2. go ahead and French braid it. And when I do French braid it, this lasts me at least for 2-3 days, and then I take it down and just redo it. It definitely helps me to keep the hair out of my face, and also just to have a style to go to without being too messy or having too much to be able just to brush it out, comb it out. So the one thing I do love to do is style my hair, whether leaving it curly, whether straightening it, or French braiding it, as well as just putting it up. The one good thing about my hair is that it doesn't take much to do. It doesn't take that long to do. I do love that I can style it any way that I want, and it's going to come out nice and moisturized. After about 3 days, it does get dry, so I take it out and put more hair lotion or hair grease in, just to kind of give it some type of moisture again. I've also been trying to get my nails off because it's just time to go back to the natural state and save $45 to $60 in my pocket on not getting my nails done. So going ahead and taking that off and just getting back into the flow of the natural nails. I eventually wanted to give out a try for my new Bath & Body Works that I picked up the other day just because it was summer, called Hello Beautiful. And I also wanted to just get myself together and ready. I've already washed my face for the day. I've already done my hair. I've already gotten my nails together. Last thing to do is to get in that shower, get myself together, and enjoy myself. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button.